welcome to you all to English class of grade 2. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I'm also good. So what are you doing? Are you ready for the class? Good. Now be ready with your textbook. Okay. Workbook. This is your workbook. You can do lot of exercises here and also your pencil. Okay. So get ready with your workbook and pencil. So let's remember what we had learned in the previous lesson. We talked about the activities that we do after school. Yes? What activities do you do after school? What do you do in the evening? Lots of things. Yes? Can you tell me some? Good. You do homework. Yes? You help your parents. You watch TV. Very good. So, we had talked about the activities that we do in the evening. The students like you do in the evening in our previous class. So, what are we going to learn in today's class? The other activities that are given in lesson 9. Yes? So, what other activities? Look at here. Topic is after school, the same topic, lesson 9, and we are going to discuss the other activities. What are they? Okay, let's look at the picture. But before that, let me ask you a question. Do you have garden in your school? Playground? You must have. Yes? So what are there in your garden or playground? What are there? Just remember, what are there in your playground? Yes? Very good. Now, let's look at the picture. What do you see here? What is this picture about? Yes, this is the picture of a garden. Yes? A playground. So, do you have such playground in your school? You may have. Okay. Now, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? What do you see? Look at the picture carefully. What do you see? What is it? Can you tell me what is it? And what are there? This is pond. And what are there in the pond? Yes, fishes. Yes, fishes. Okay. And what do you see here? This white one in white color. What is it called? No idea? Okay, all right. So, we are going to talk about the things, okay, that are in the picture, that are in our garden or playground. Yes? Okay, let me paste the picture here and let's talk about the objects or things that are given in the picture. Okay, now look at the picture carefully here. So first tell me, what is it? You have already told. Yes? Good. Pond. Okay, pond. And what are there in the pond? Yes, fishes. Yes? You can see fish. And what is it? It's fins. Fins. Okay? And there are so many other things. What do you see here? What is it? What is sitting on the tree? Good. Bird. And what do you see here? Just below the bird. What is it? Good. Nest. Yes? This is the nest of a bird. Nest. That is the home of bird. Yes? And what do you see here? What is it? Good. Swing. Yes? And what do you call it? You may have play in this. What is it? Good. Slide. Yes? And what are they? What are they? Look at here. This one and this one. What are they? Good. Benches. Yes? There is a bench and there is also a bench. So, two benches. So there are so many things. And what do you see here? What is it? The big one. Yes, a tree. And what do you see here? Flying. What are they? Are they birds? No. What are they? Yes, they are butterflies. Yes, butterflies. And what do you see here? Where are the butterflies? Flowers. Yes? They are here. Okay, on the flowers. Okay, all right. Now, let me show you some words and you have to read the word. Okay, so look at this word. How do you spell? P-O-N-D. And what is the pronunciation? How do you read the word? Good. Pond. Repeat after me. Pond. Now let's find out pond in the picture. Okay. Oh, here is a pond. Look. Okay. Look at here. Here is a pond. Read the word. Good. Pond. Yes. All right. Let me show you another word. Look at here. Read the word. First spell. F-I-S-H. How do you pronounce? So simple. Fish. Repeat after me. Fish. Fish. Good job. Now, let's find out fish and paste the picture over here. Okay, paste the word near the picture. We can see fish here. Yes? So, look at here. Fish. Yes, fishes. Many fishes. One fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Very good. Now, look at another word. Okay. F-E-N-C-E. How do you read the word? Finch. Yes? Finch. Repeat after me. Finch. One more time. Finch. Good. Now, let's find out finch. Okay. So, where can you see finch here? Over here. You can read the word over here and we will point the finch here. Look at here. This white one, this is the finch of our garden. Yes? Finch of our garden. Very good. Now, look at another word. S-W-I-N-G. How do you read the word? Let's think. Yes, that is our favorite game also. We play it. Yes, do you like swing? You do. I know. Swing. Repeat after me. Good. Swing. One more time. Swing. Okay, read yourself. Good. Now, let's find out swing here. What is swing? Point in your workbook. Yes, here is a swing. Okay, let me put this word over here. Here is a swing. Look, and S-W-I-N-G, swing. Very good, dear student. Now, look at another word. First, read the word. S-L-I-D-E. How do you pronounce? Good. Slide. Okay, say after me. Slide. One more time. Slide. Slide. Yes? You play slide. Yes, you like playing slide. And here we can find slide in the picture. Look at here. Or is slide? S-L-I-D-E. Slide. Here is a slide. Yes? Okay. Now, the next word about the object. What is it? Did you read? Good. And now, did you pronounce? Okay, pronounce the word yourself. Simple. It's the home of bird. nest. Yes, N-E-S-T, nest. Say nest. One more time, nest. Okay, now find out nest. Where, okay, have we seen nest earlier? I can see there. Okay, can you see nest in the picture? Yes, over here. Okay, there is a small nest of a bird you can see. Okay, so there is a bird and there is a bird's nest. Look, N-E-S-T, nest. Good job. Now, next. Okay, read the word. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Yes? Flowers. Do you like flowers? Everybody. Okay, I like flowers and you also like flowers. Yes, colorful flowers. And we can also see flowers in the garden. Okay, so where are the flowers? Let's find out. Okay, all right. Where are the flowers? Here we can see. So let's paste the word over here and point to the flowers. So first read. Good. Flowers. And here are the colorful flowers we can see. Beautiful flowers. Yes? Very good. Now, read this word. What is it? B-E-N-C-H. Yes, you are right. B-E-N-C-H. What is it? Good. Bench. Repeat after me. Bench. Good. One more time. Bench. Now say yourself. Good. So, you have desk and benches in your school as well, yes? What do you do? Sit. Yes? You sit on a bench and we can see bench in the picture here. Look at you. What is it? It is bench. Yes? It's bench. Read the word. Good. Bench. Okay? Bench. All right. Now, look at the next word. First, read the word. Yes, so simple. You all read, I know. Yes? Trees. Okay? So, say loudly. Good. Trees. One more time. Trees. Yes? So, do you have trees around your home? Yes, many. Yes? Okay. When you look outside, you can see trees around your home. We should plant trees. Yes? Okay. So, where are trees here? Where do you see here? Okay, there are so many. You can see trees over here as well. And there is a big tree. And there are some small trees as well. Yes? Okay. So, let's paste this picture over here and point. Okay. Let's see the word and point to the pictures. First, read the word. T-R-E-E-S. Yes, they are trees. This is a tree. They are trees. Yes, a tree. For one and for many, we say trees. Good. Now, one more word that you have to read. What is it? L-O-T-U-S. Let me give you a clue. This is the name of the flower. You have read, yes? Good. Lotus. Say lotus. One more time. Lotus. Very good. Now we will find the flower lotus here. There are so many flowers we can see. Now let's find out the flower lotus. Let me paste the word and then we will find out the flower lotus. Okay, so what is the flower lotus? Is there? What is the flower lotus? Where does it grow? In water. Yes, so this is water plant. Okay, it grows in water. Lotus. Yes, this is lotus flower. And the word is L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Now, can you read the word? Okay, I will point some of the words and you should pronounce yourself. Okay? All right, dear students. Now, how do you pronounce this word? How do you read? Read this one. Good. Pond. And this one? Good. Bench. And this one? Very good. Slide. Even point to the picture in your book. Okay? While reading the words, point to the picture. And this one? Trees. Point to the picture like this. Okay? Good. And this one? How do you read the word? Good. Swing. And point to the picture. Now, this one? Good. Flowers. Yes, flowers. And this one? Good. What is it? Yes, nest. Yes. And this one? Good. Finch. Don't be confused. Finch. And where is the finch? Did you point in the book? Yes, good. Finch. Yes. And this one? Yes. And where is the flower? Lotus. Yes, point here. And good. Fish. Fish. Very good, dear students. Now, what? Okay, we are going to do another activity where you have to point the pictures yourself. Okay, so let me remove these ones. Okay, dear students, now I am going to show you a picture. Okay, and look at the picture and point to the picture. Okay, I will tell you the word and you should point to the picture. Okay, so let's do one by one. Okay, point to pond. Did you point? Good, very good. Now, fish. Good job. Now, where did you point first? Pond. Yes? Did you point the same? Good. And when I said fish, did you saw them? Good. Now, finch. Point to the finch with your finger. Okay? So, there is a picture in your textbook as well. Yes? You have this picture and point with your finger when I say. Yes? Okay. Finch. Good. Swing. Finch. Yes? Swing. Did you point? Good. Swing. Slide. Slide. Did you point? Good. Slide. That is slide. Yes? Nest. Nest. Good. Okay. Did you point the same here with your finger? Good job. Flowers. Point to the flowers. Good. Now, point to the bench. Bench. Good. Now, look at here whether you pointed the particular picture or not. Okay. So, if you are wrong, find the correct one over here. Trees. Point to the trees. You must have pointed to the trees. There are so many. Yes? Lotus. Point to the picture of lotus. Yes, you found. Yes? Good job. There is a lotus. Very good, dear students. Now, we are going to talk about our garden, our school garden. Yes? So, look at this picture. Quickly. What are there in our garden? There are also trees, flowers, butterflies, yes, slides, swing also. So, what other things you see? Yes, so many things. What is it? The white one. Good. Finch. Yes. Now listen to me. Okay. So there is a place to write in your workbook. Okay. So be ready with your pencil to write some sentences about this garden. I will tell you the sentences. Okay. You have to write listening to me. Okay. Are you ready? Good. Now listen to me very carefully and write down the sentences. This is a garden of our school. This is a garden of our school. There are beautiful flowers, trees, birds, butterflies, swing and slides. Okay. This is a beautiful garden. Okay, let me repeat one more time. Okay, and you can make corrections if you miss any words. Okay, you can check and you can make corrections. This is a garden of our school. This is a garden of our school. There are beautiful flowers, trees, birds, butterflies, swing and slides. It is a beautiful garden. Did you complete? Good. Okay. So now let's see what you have written. Okay. So if you miss anything, you can check like spellings, okay, full stops, commas, capital letters. Okay. Check everything in your writing because I'm going to show you what you have written in your workbook. Okay. So look at here what you have written. Look at here. This is a garden of our school and there is a full stop. Did you put full stop there? Check it. And the next sentence starts with capital letter T. There are beautiful flowers, trees, birds, butterflies, swing and slides. And what are there between the words? You can see here. Look, comma, yes, flowers, comma, trees, comma, birds, yes, also comma, butterflies. Okay. So if you have forgotten to put comma over here. Okay. And slides and full stop. And here again the first letter of the sentence is capital. This is a beautiful garden. Full stop. Yes? Have you done? Very good, dear students. Okay. Now next we are going to read a text. Okay. Now we are going to read a text. So, okay, this is whose, okay, story is it? Let's find out. Look at the picture first. So, what do you see in the picture? What is it? Yes, this is also garden. This is also garden. Yes? So, whose garden is it? Whose garden? The girl's. Yes? Okay. The girl's garden. And what do you see in her garden? What do you see here? What is it? Is it a bird? No, it's a butterfly. Yes, butterfly. And what do you see here? Good. Flowers. Yes. And what is it? Is it a cat? No. What is it then? Good. Dog. Yes. She has also a dog. Yes. And what do you see here? Tree. Yes. Tree. So this is the garden of a girl, and she has so many things in her garden. Now let's find out whose garden is it. So read the first line of the text. What is written here? Munu has a beautiful garden. So whose garden is it? Munu. Good. It is Munu's garden. So we are going to read a text about Munu's garden. Yes? And what are there in Munu's garden? And what does he do in the garden? Yes? What does Munu do in the garden? Let's find out. Okay, first what you have to do? Okay, open your book and point your finger in the text. I am going to read the text first. You listen carefully, and while listening, point your finger in the text. Okay, are you ready? Alright, dear students, now look at here. Listen carefully. Munu has a beautiful garden. Every morning, Munu goes there. She picks up weeds and waters the plants. She knows how to take care of plants in the garden. Munu loves gardening. On Saturdays, she spends much time in the garden. She plays with her pet dog in the garden. She also reads books sitting in the garden. She likes her garden very much. Are you following me with your finger? Very good. Okay. Now, it's your turn to read. But before that, let me ask you, what do you mean by pick up? Pick up. Munu picks up means picks up. Yes. Okay. Something you pick up. Look at me. You pick up flowers. You pick up plants. Okay. So, weeds. What do you mean by weeds? W-E-E-D-S, weeds. Weeds means unwanted plants. Sometimes in our garden, there are unwanted plants. झार, झारपात है झारपात भन्नुहुन्छ नि कहिलेकाहीँ गार्डनमा चाहिँ फुलहरूको बीचमा के पनि आउँछ weeds. Yes, and we pick up those weeds and throw. Yes, to keep our garden clean and beautiful. Good. Okay. Now, let me ask you some question. First, you read, okay, the text loudly, okay, yourself. Are you ready? Okay, read the text. Now, tell me, okay, did you read the first line? Okay, so who has a garden? Munu. Very good. Okay. And when does she go there? When does she go there? In the evening? No, every morning. Yes, every morning she goes there. And what does she do in the garden? What does she do? Yes, she picks up unwanted plants. Yes, and also waters the plants. Yes, she waters the plants. Okay, and what does she know about the garden? What does Munu know about the garden? Yes, how to take care plants. Yes, how to take care plants. Very good. And what does she love? She loves her pet dog. Yes, she loves, but she also loves What? Good, gardening. That means planting flowers, trees, yes, and working in the garden. She loves gardening. Good. And when does she spend much time? When does she spend much time? Every day? No. So read and find out. When does she spend much time in the garden? Good job. On Saturdays. Yes? Because Saturday is holiday. Yes? Okay. We have a holiday on Saturday. That's why Munu also goes to the garden on Saturday. So what do you do on Saturday? Do you go to your garden? Do you go to the field? Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. With our parents. With your parents, you go to the garden. You go to the field. Yes. To help them. That's a good habit. Okay. And okay. What other things she does in the garden? She reads books. Yes. Sitting in the garden. Yes. And who does she play with in the garden? Does she have friends in the garden? Other friends? No. She plays with our pet dog. Yes. Pet dog. Pet that we keep in our home. Yes. What are other pet animals? Can you name some? Like dog? Yes. Cat. Yes. Okay. And others as well. Yes. Okay. Some birds also we keep at our homes. Good. Okay. So this is about Munu's garden. Now we are going to do some exercises. We are going to write answers to some questions. Write short answers in few words, 1 or 2 words. Okay. But first of all, you have to read the text to write answers to these questions. Okay. First read the question. What is written over here? Where does Munu go every morning? Where does Munu go every morning? Read the lines first. Okay. Did you find the answer? Good. Okay. Now show me the line where the answer lies. Very good. Let's see. Okay. Where you are pointing. Are you pointing here? Good. Munu has a beautiful garden. Every morning Munu goes there. Where does Munu go every morning? Where does? Good. To her garden. Yes, she goes to her garden. Very good. You can write answer in your workbook. Okay. Now let's see another question. How does she take care of plants? What does she do and take care of plants? First, show me the answer. Okay, in the text with your finger. Did you find answer? Okay, read the text. Now point to the text where the answer lies. Okay, let's check now where you are pointing. Are you pointing here? Now read the sentences. Good. She picks up weeds and waters the plants. She knows how to take care of plants in the garden. So how does she take care of plants? Now write answer in your copy. You have written? Good. She picks up weeds and water the plants. Yes. And the next question is for you. Do you also love garden? Yes. Very good. Why? Why do you love garden? Yes, because it's beautiful. Yes. Okay. Because it's greenery. Yes. It's green there. You can play there. Very good. You can write your region. Yes. I have given you one example, but you can also write your own region. Why do you love garden? Yes. I have written here because it is a beautiful place, but you can also write because I can play there. Yes. Okay. Very good. Now we are going to do, okay, one more activity, that is a writing activity. Yes. Now we are going to write about our garden. We have read about Munu's garden. Now we are going to write about our garden. First of all, look at my garden. Okay, so first, okay, how is your garden? Tell me. You have garden. How is your garden? Is big or small? Beautiful. How is your garden? I have a small garden. Now tell me, how is your garden? Big or small? Okay. And what do you have in your garden? What do you have? Trees, butterflies, birds. Yes? And what do you do there? What do you do? You may play. Yes? You may plant trees, water the plants. Yes? Now look at my garden. So this is my garden. Okay? And what do you see in my garden? So many things. Yes? Sometimes in our gardens we plant, okay, we have fruits as well. Fruits trees. Yes? Some vegetables as well. Look at my garden now. Let me tell you what are there in my, okay, in my garden. In my garden there are flowers. You can see flowers. Yes? Good. And there are also butterflies. Okay? And there are birds and also a small pond. Okay? And there are trees also. You can see here, okay, there are trees in my garden and fishes. You can see fishes in the pond. Yes? Okay. In the same way, you can also make a list of the things in your garden. And what you can do? You can write a short paragraph about your garden. How? In this way. Okay. I have a small garden near my house. Okay? You can also write a paragraph like this. There are beautiful flowers. And don't forget to put full stop. There are birds and butterflies. Okay? In the same way, you can write a paragraph. You can also write, there is a small pond. It is a beautiful garden. Now look at here. I have written some sentences about my garden. In the same way, you can also write about your garden. Okay? First, make a list of the things, okay, what are there in your garden, and write down them in a paragraph. That is your homework. You can also draw flowers, okay, of your garden. Draw flowers, okay, and show it to your parents, okay. All right. So we have learned so many things in today's class. Yes, about Munu's garden, about our garden, school's garden, and now finally you have to write about your garden. Okay? All right. This much for today. Thank you for joining me. Okay, have a good time. Bye.